Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic for all you home decor enthusiasts out there, especially if you're in Dubai. We're going to explore the 8 most affordable home decor stores in the city that will help you spruce up your space without breaking the bank. So, let's get started. One, Fixing Expert. Starting our list is Fixing Expert. Don't let the name fool you. Apart from offering fixing services, they have an amazing selection of affordable home decor that can transform any space. Whether you're looking for quirky light fixtures or elegant furniture pieces, Fixing Expert has something for everyone. 2. Home Center. Next up is Home Center, a favorite among locals for its wide range of products. From plush sofas to decorative vases, Home Center offers quality at prices that won't make your wallet cry. It's a one-stop shop for all your home furnishing needs. 3. Carpenter Center. If you appreciate custom craftsmanship, Carpenter Center is your go-to place. Here, you can find beautifully crafted wooden furniture that adds a touch of personalization to your home. The best part, it's surprisingly affordable for the quality and craftsmanship. 4. Pan Home Stores. Pan Home Stores offers a variety of home accessories and decorations that are both budget-friendly and stylish. Whether you're redecorating on a dime or just want to add a few new accents, you'll find plenty of options here. 5. Design Furniture. At Design Furniture, modern meets affordability. Their contemporary furniture designs are perfect for anyone looking to add a modern touch to their home without spending a fortune. Their pieces show that style doesn't have to be expensive. 6. Tribe Dubai. Tribe Dubai is all about sustainable and ethically sourced products. If you're environmentally conscious and want to decorate your home with items that have a story, Tribe Dubai is the place. Their unique, handcrafted pieces are not only beautiful but also priced within reach. 7. Rugs and Carpets. No room is complete without a beautiful rug, and Rugs and Carpets offers an incredible selection at prices that can't be beaten. From Persian to modern designs, they have options that can define any room. 8. Urban Nest. Last but not least, Urban Nest rounds out our list. Known for its contemporary designs, this store offers stylish home accessories that can give your space a fresh and modern feel. Plus, their prices make it easy to keep up with the latest trends. And there you have it, folks. The 8 most affordable home decor stores in Dubai. Each of these stores offers something unique, allowing you to decorate your home beautifully without spending a fortune. Do check them out, and let us know your favorite finds in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips on Dubai living. Until next time, happy decorating!